Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikhet and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change Twitter banner image. Now let's get started. First of all, on your device launch the Twitter app and then you have to make sure they are logged into your Twitter account. Now to change your banner image, at the upper left corner you will see your profile. Tap on your profile icon. Now again tap on profile from the very first of the list, and in here again tap on edit profile that you will see at the right hand side of your screen at the top. Once you tap on there, you will see this interface. Now to change your banner image, tap on the banner image and a dialog box will pop up that will ask you to take a photo or choose existing photo or remove header. Now in order to change the image, if you want to take a photo on your camera, simply tap on take photo, or else if you already have photo on your device, tap on choose existing photo, and in here select the picture that you want to change. Suppose I'm going with this one, and in here you will be able to move and scale your picture. Once you're done with that, again from the upper right corner tap on apply, and now again tap on save from the upper right corner as well. Refresh your profile and then you will see your banner image has been changed. So this is how you can simply change banner image on Twitter. I hope this video helped you, and make sure to subscribe, like and press the notification bell icon, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.